Kristin at the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show, and I have got some great new heat pump laundry to share with you. Behind me is the WKHC252 ventless heat pump wash tower. So we've got some great stuff in here. You may know and love the wash tower. I know I do, but this one doesn't need to be vented outside, so we have a little more placement capabilities. Water, power, and a drain. We don't need that external venting. This is a very large wash tower. It has 5 cubic feet in the washer and 7.8 in the dryer. You might have heard me talk about the WKHC252 with its amazing air boost design and how it only takes about 17 additional minutes from traditional laundry setups. That's the same dryer we're using in here. When it comes to wash technology, we've got our AIDD, so it can figure out the right load for you. We have our Turbo Wash 360 that gets laundry done in just 29 minutes. Another great thing about our new wash towers, both the 252 and the compact 152, they're ThemeQ Up compatible. So that means you can download additional cycles, you can change the tone that plays when the laundry is done, and just continuously have updates that fit your needs or your customers' needs. We have our great 3-stage lint filter in here. So very small microfiber that makes sure nothing but water goes down the drain. I love the center control panel on here because everyone can reach this. It makes it very easy to use. Shows your countdown so you always know when that laundry is going to be done, and makes just setting all of your preferred settings just right. But again, you can do all of that through ThemeQ.